Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jacob Rakowski coming to you from Houston, Texas. I am going to give you guys some super tips. I just need to make sure that I don't get disturbed. Put my phone on Do Not Disturb. Okay, great, I did it. Okay, real quick, I want to share with you guys how to properly, and there's any and many and infinite ways to invite. I just want to tell you what I'm doing, and maybe you can learn something from it. Okay. How I'm inviting is I'm going into Facebook, and first off I want to tell you guys this: maximize all of these events with Holton Bugs in Denver on July 27th, in July 31st, in San Antonio on July 27th, in Minnesota on August 1st, in Wisconsin on August 2nd, in Chicago on August 3rd, in New Jersey on August 4th. Max these out. Here's how you do it. You go in to Facebook, and by the way, if you don't, you are going to miss out on tens of thousands of dollars of income every month for the rest of your life. Holton Bugs is the best, the Michael Jordan, the man who took this company from $2 million in sales to $300 million a year in sales in less than 4 years. If he doesn't know how to help your business grow, I don't know who does, okay? He can help put you anywhere in the world. He can help you donate as much money you want to charity. He can help you live completely debt-free. He can help you live the life of your dreams and do everything that you ever wanted to do. But what you gotta do is you gotta take action. You gotta start inviting. And here's how it's done, okay? You go in to Facebook, and you type in, my friends who live in blank, or my friends who are from blank, okay? San Antonio, Denver, Minnesota, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Wisconsin, Chicago, New Jersey. And you reach out to those people. And you don't want to blast them with a big invite. You say, hey, Jacob, do you have any plans August 1st? And what you're going to do is you're going to create curiosity. See, when you ask somebody if they have plans, you automatically clear that their schedule is open. You automatically also pique their curiosity of, wow, this person's going to invite me to something cool. Okay? And then you would go into your invite. I've been using something along the lines of, do you remember the coffee I shared with you? Do you remember, the blah, blah, blah that I shared with you? Or I wanted to connect with you about a project I'm launching. It's very important to me. And, this is not the one I'm using, so I'm coming up with it as I go. I wanted to connect with you about a project that I'm launching. It's very important to me. I really respect your opinion, and I want your feedback. Or something like that. Or I just started a business, and it's a way for me to travel and, or to stay home with my kids and be able to live debt-free and, whatever your why is, and then say, and I wanted to share it with you because I figured you might want some of those things. Now, it's not important to me that you say yes. It's important to me that you learn, because a year from now when I'm doing really well, I don't want you to be saying that I didn't tell you. I don't want you to be upset that I didn't tell you. What I'm saying is, do you remember that coffee I gave you? Yes. And then I say, we pay people to be brand ambassadors of our product and just travel around and share our brand. Do you like picking your schedule? Do you like traveling? Do you like making good money for an easy job? Yes? Okay, great. Well, it might be a great fit for you. And then go about reserving a seat. I could probably get you a seat reserved. Maybe call them and talk to them. But that's what I'm doing to invite, and it's working out great. Now, I want you to understand that the amount of confirmations that you have for these events, only about 1/4 to 1/3 are going to show up. So if you get 100 confirmed, 20 to 30 are going to show up. So that's my goal. I'm going to get 100 confirmed. I'm on that right now, working it. and we're gonna have 500 people in that Minnesota event. I'm also working San Antonio. I'm also working Denver. I'm also working Wisconsin. I'm also working Chicago. I'm also working New Jersey. So that's what I'm doing. I hope you're doing something. I hope you're maximizing this and you're not sitting around waiting for somebody else to create your business for you, because it's not gonna happen. You've got to take that action if you want those dreams and goals that you always are praying for and thinking about and wishing for. Well, the wish is here. Holton Bugs is going to all these cities. You know people there. You just got to take action and do exactly what was mentioned. If you've got something that's working for you, then don't change. But if you feel like you can learn something from that, then go right ahead. That's what I got. I'll see you guys later. God bless.